Originally, these walls were lined with stainless steel checker plate, but as you can see, over time these surfaces became corroded and were required to be replaced in order to meet strict hygiene standards for a commercial food preparation area. However, after the pre-existing wall liners were removed, it became clear that the underlying surfaces were in no condition to be repainted or left exposed. It was then that the owner's clever decision to select glasbord with surface seal, supplied by DCTech, eliminated the costly process of replacing the entire walls, inclusive of the wall liner. This is because glasbord can be installed directly over pre-existing surfaces in specific conditions. And installing these panels is both quick and easy. To see how? Watch on. Firstly, measure the boards to the correct size and cut the panels on a suitable workbench using a grinder or circular saw. Then, using a notch trowel, apply the recommended adhesive to the back of the board evenly, taking note that the board should still be visible between the notches of adhesive. With the help of another person, you must then begin to apply the glasbord to the bottom of the wall, leaving a 3 to 4 mm gap at the base. Slowly, begin to press the board upwards, fixing it in place. Now, you may adjust the board as necessary to ensure it is level on all sides. To complete this fixing process, you will then need to use a consolidating roller to remove any bubbles of air. By rolling the board from the centre out, the bubbles are removed and the fixing process is completed. From here, it will be extremely difficult to reposition or remove the board. Now, the edge treatment may take two options. Option A. Continue to install the boards in the same manner, leaving a 3 to 4 mm gap from the base as well as between each panel. Then, filling these gaps with a food grade sealant. Or, option B, apply a food grade sealant to the edge of the board as is seen in the image and slide the DCTech supplied division bars over the exposed edge. You may then continue to install the next board, sliding that edge of the board flush against the division bar. This should be completed between the installation of each board and not after the wall has been fixed. For job-specific advice, please contact DCTech directly. Dynamic Composite Technologies, the knowledge to produce solutions.